He needs one too.
Go, puppies, go. Go, puppies, go.
Be quiet, please. Barry's trying to watch something.
Oh, Bear Daisy. Come on, I can do it. Having some good ice cream. How's that ice cream? Oh, Bear, I can't see ya. Daisy. No.
And the winner is
Daisy. Okay, this is starting to get interesting. Let's get them. Yeah. Bear strap. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Bear. The winner is who? Daisy or Bear? Come on, be Daisy. Come on. Come on, Bear. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Come on, be Bear. Bear. Come on, man. Beat that Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Bear. Come on, Bear. Beat that Daisy.
I bet Daisy's gonna win.
Yeah, I did too, but... Wait, oh my god. Daisy's winning. Daisy takes first place. Oh, Bear takes second. Daisy's about to finish. Come on, Daisy. Oh, Bear. Bear's catching up. He's catching up. Daisy's right behind him. Oh, no, Daisy's winning now. Bear's right there. Look at that. Look at Daisy. Bear. How much do you have left, Bear? Oh, I think Bear's winning now. Let's go, Bear. Bear. Oh, Daisy takes first place.
He's still looking.
Hey, Bear, can I see yours? Oh, yeah. But Daisy's still winning. She has no Destiny behind. This is getting good. Here's mine. I'm in last place.
I'm in second to last.
David's in second to last. Come on, Daisy. Come on, Bear. Come on, me.
There's still some ice cream left. Daisy's.
Oh, Daisy's shredding. 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 Bear is right behind her.
And has ice cream all over his nose.
Oh, Daisy's getting so close. Oh, Daisy, don't run away.
He's done.
Daisy, no, she's not. She still has a lot to go. Come on, Daisy.
Oh, look at Bear. Point to his
Aw,
nose.
be so cute.
Take a look at his nose.
Oh, you're there. You have something on your nose, buddy. There.
And let's look at him while they eat.
Bear has something on his nose. Oh, Daisy's butt is not a good thing to show. That is so caution right there. Daisy, come on, come on, come on. And the winner is Daisy. Woo! No, wait, no, she's not done yet. She's not done yet. Destiny.
She's biting the cup.
Daisy is done. Bear takes second place.
And
Congratulations.
look at
Baby.
his nose. Look at his little nose.
Bear, are you done, buddy?
Give me that.
Oh, look at his little nose. No, stop it.
Wait. Which one?
Look at his nose, guys. Oh, he's so sweet. Hey, Bear, look up, man.
Ooh, I had French vanilla with heat.
Come on, Bear. Come on, come on,
French
come on.
vanilla with heat. I just dropped it.
I dropped
What about dinner?
I dropped
Why are you sitting down having your ice cream?
I would have to pick it up because I was sitting right there.
Bear, you're done, buddy. You're done. Good job, Bear. Daisy, good job. Is it done? Is it ruined? Oh, it's all that stuff in it.
That's heat.
Phoebe's, she dropped. But it's still good to eat. Congratulations, Daisy. Bear, congratulations, second place. Daisy, that was pretty good. I came in last,
Berries,
sadly.
berries, it's still